As far-right former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro's imprisonment approaches, his allies have made a last-ditch effort to keep him out of jail. Correspondent Brian Mier has more.
Brazilian Supreme Court Minister Luis Fux shocked the nation when, after showing no prior warnings, he became the only judge in the court's 5-member first panel to vote against a guilty verdict for ex-President Jair Bolsonaro and his 7 co-defendants in the trial for the 2023 military coup attempt. Now he's surprised everyone again.
I told my esteemed friend of many years, Supreme Court Chief Justice Luis Barroso, that I wanted to move to the court's second panel. So we agreed that I would make this request. In fact, this type of thing is very normal in our court. Justice Carmen Lucia was in the second panel and she moved to the first one, for example, and now this opportunity has come up with Justice Barroso's retirement.
The Supreme Court's second panel has 2 staunch Bolsonaro allies, André Mendonça and Nunes Marques. With Fux, it would form a 3-member pro-Bolsonaro majority. In theory, this opens room for Bolsonaro's defense lawyers to appeal for review of the ruling and possible annulment. But there are 2 obstacles. First, they need to meet strict legal requirements to file, which they don't appear to have. And second, the appeal has to be authorized by the president of the second panel.
The president of the second group is José Gilmar Mendes, who can simply refuse to review the appeal and enable one Supreme Court group to annul the ruling of another group. I don't believe the Supreme Court will install a crisis for itself like this.
A politicized Supreme Court second panel may cause a lot of headaches for the Lula administration in the future, but Jair Bolsonaro's dream of walking away as a free man seems to be slipping through his fingers. Brian Mier, TeleSUR, Recife.